Oh, Cam? Is that a present from Grandma Gilbert and Granny Nora? She likes to be called Nana. Whoa, Ilka's drink always gonna be a problem. Okay, Cam. I don't got all the time in the world. There. What? Did you get movies? Lego movies?
Wow, that's
Oh my
awesome.
goodness!
I'm eating that.
Oh my!
It's your favorite.
Wow!
Let's see.
Oh, those are super cool, Cam. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Here, Dad'll open this one so that way you can look at both of them.
I never seen that.
You never seen it? There you go, buddy. Now you can look at them both.
Oh, it's PG Masks.
Oh,
And Lego game.
it's the movie.
Oh, a movie, sorry. Wow, you want to watch one? Dad's watching his movie.
Yeah, but you can watch yours later, for sure.
Yeah, I've never seen this.
Oh, there's one more. Are you ready for it?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Those to Mama. Okay, hold this. Okay, see what that one is, buddy. There. That'll help you. Okay. Oh, we'll rip it. Go, go. Oh, I'm glad I grabbed it before it's too late. That was so close. What is that, Cam?
Oh.
That looks cool.